welcome back to our channel Hakuna Matata. So this is Riya
and this is Heer.
So we are back with another video today and आप लोगों को टाइटल देख के पता चल ही गया होगा कि आज का वीडियो क्या है and the challenge is touch my body challenge. Okay, so आज के वीडियो में हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, एक्चुअली आप लोगों को पता ही होगा कि क्या करना है क्योंकि आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे का वीडियो देखे होंगे ऐसे
बहुत सारे लोगों का
वीडियोस देखे होंगे आपने. सो फिर भी आपको हीर बताएगी कि हम लोग इसमें क्या करने वाले हैं और कैसे करने वाले हैं.
सो हम लोग इस चैलेंज में ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड होंगे और है ना, मतलब अगर रिया का टर्न है तो रिया ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड होगी और मैं उसकी उंगलियां लेकर वन फिंगर ओनली उसको 3 बार बस मैं टच करवा सकती हूँ, उससे ज़्यादा टच नहीं करवा सकती. एक बॉडी पार्ट टच करवाना है जैसे लाइक चिक्स. सो आई विल गो फॉर दिस एंड आई विल गिव वन चांस एंड देन शी विल टेल. उसको बोलना है कि वो क्या है. अगर वो कंफ्यूज होगी तो मैं उसको 2 चांस और दूंगी, लेकिन उसके बाद डन. सो ऐसे ही हम लोग एक दूसरे को 5 बॉडी पार्ट्स टच करवाएंगे और लेट्स सी कौन जीतता है.
और हाँ, जो पनिशमेंट है वो हम दोनों को नहीं
पता है.
हम दोनों ने अलग अलग सोच रखी है, मैंने अपनी और इसने अपनी. सो देखते कि क्या पनिशमेंट है.
आई थिंक मेरी पनिशमेंट यूज होगी बिकॉज आई एम वेरी गुड एट कैच.
मैंने कितना कितनी इजी पनिशमेंट दी थी लास्ट वाली चैलेंज में. सो आई डोंट नो ये मुझ पे दया करेगी या नहीं.
Oh please, that was not easy for me.
It was easy. It was
okay, fine.
easy.
Mine is easy only.
We will see that. Okay, so let's
start. So as you guys, you all know that like हमारा एक ट्रेडिशन है, हम लोग कुछ भी स्टार्ट करने से पहले स्टोन पेपर सीजर करते हैं. So
okay, so we'll begin. Stone, paper, and scissor.
What's this?
It's scissor.
Let's start.
Yeah. So,
Stone, paper, scissor. Stone, paper, scissor. Okay, fine. So you want to go first for
no,
this?
I mean, I'll.
No, you told that you will go first for this.
Chalo. I'll.
Okay,
I'll
fine.
take this pleasure, please.
My honor.
Arey, just help me.
What help me? You need help in this also?
Yeah.
What yeah?
पकड़ो इधर से ऐसे.
What इधर से ऐसे?
Then don't tell me अगर तुम्हारे बाल.
See, मेरा आई शेडो नहीं बिगड़ना चाहिए.
हाँ, बिगड़ भी जाए.
तुम्हारी भी बारी आने वाली है.
I'll take care of it. So, ready?
Ready.
Okay.
इसने शुरू से चालू कर दिया हंसना. ये ट्राई नॉट टू लाफ चैलेंज नहीं है रिया.
You know?
Yeah. Start.
Okay. So, it's first turn and array give
This finger?
okay this
Yeah.
fine. I'll give you 3 chances. Okay,
Fine. Very good. अच्छे से टच तो करो.
it's not like you have to put there.
Okay, maybe this is this wrist.
Sure.
Okay, second chance.
Second. Okay,
Yeah. Third chance.
final chance.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, this is wrist. Yeah, I feel this is. Yeah.
Okay, now second.
सही था.
वो अभी नहीं बताऊंगी, वो बाद में बताऊंगी.
अरे एक.
No. Second turn.
Okay, fine. Okay. Maybe this is this?
Sure.
No, one chance. Is this last chance?
Yeah, now this is your last.
Okay. Yeah, this is this. This one, maybe. Yeah. Okay, fine.
Good.
Yeah.
Now your third turn.
Yeah.
Okay, so give it. Just a minute.
What are you doing? Oh, what is this? Cheeks? No, this is this collar. Nah, what collarbone? This is cheekbones. Last chance.
This was your last chance.
This was my last chance.
Yeah.
I didn't remember.
Say.
Okay, maybe this is cheekbones. Yeah, cheekbones.
Sure.
Yeah, like this one. Yeah, maybe.
Okay, fine.
And this is my last chance, or this is
This
fourth
is
one.
your third. This was your third turn, and
Okay.
now it's your fourth turn.
Okay. Oh, this is near eyebrow. I can feel this. Again, Ria. Oh, this is this one. Like, you know, I don't know what to say.
Okay.
This one.
Sure.
Yeah, last chance. No, this one. This one.
Which one?
This one.
Show from
Okay, fine. This one. I mean this one. This type.
Fine. Chalo.
Ouch.
Done.
Yeah, done.
So now.
You don't
Last
give
one.
me any easy one. This all were very complicated.
Ooh.
All were like, you know, very confusing.
Okay. Last chance. Okay.
Just give me this simple one, okay?
This one is simple.
I doubt. Oh, this is eyes. This is eyes. This one. No, this is nose. Again, I have two chances. Hey, you are not. Oh,
This was your second chance. Now you have only one.
last. Okay, fine. This one is nose.
Sure.
Yeah, nose.
Sure.
Yeah, nose. Nose. Done.
Okay. So
Fine.
it's done.
I can remove this, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm here. So guys, you know that कितने wrong थे उसके और कितने right थे.
मुझे
पता
नहीं
है?
बताओगे तुम?
4 were wrong, one was right.
Oh my god! I thought 1 or 2 will be wrong and another like all were right.
Okay.
It's your fault. You only give me this confusing things. I don't know
Please,
what to
please.
say.
Okay. It's my turn.
Should I help you?
Yeah, it's like this.
Now your jata.
I can handle my jata. Okay. My eyeshadow.
Oh, now you are worried about your eyeshadow.
Okay. So.
Let's start. So give me your finger.
No, this one. What? It was not properly. You just.
You
like
did this to me
No,
only.
I kept for few minutes.
What
I
few
mean,
minutes?
Few seconds. No.
This is second chance, okay?
Again. What? You are showing two different things to me.
No,
I know.
this
Yeah.
is-
Because one.
everyone
just
knows.
a minute. One was like this, and the other was like something there.
Something there.
Yeah. Just
No,
show me
they
one
know.
thing.
They know what I'm showing.
Okay.
I don't have to tell you.
Just show me one thing. It is tongue. This is tongue.
Okay,
This
fine.
is tongue.
Fine. Now this is second one.
Once more. It is chin. Chin. This one part.
Again.
Yeah, this is this one. This. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. This part from this part. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
How much right I got?
I'll not tell you.
How many right I got? Sorry. How much?
Now it's how one.
Arey, this finger.
Okay.
You are showing me all your face features, right?
Great. You understood what I...
No, because you are just you know what you are doing. You are doing this and just taking out.
And-
How I'll know?
Okay, fine.
Just a minute.
Corona.
Okay. बोलो मत जोर से किसी है ना किसी को ऐसे मस्ती में भी लग गए तो समझ जाएंगे कि मुझे है
समझ जाएंगे.
मान लेंगे. Once more. It's this one. This.
Final.
Once more. Yeah, you are not doing it
This
properly.
is only the game. Okay, I can't like, keep that finger for 2-3 minutes.
No, I was doing like this and then.
I'm
but
doing
you
that
are, you are
only.
just doing like this. I'm not. You are
No.
not pressing also little. I was pressing.
No, I am pressing, Riya.
No.
This one is last, okay?
Yeah. It's this part. This.
Final.
This. Yeah. This. I
Now-
gave you one easy one, right?
Yet I am
Last
giving
one.
you all easy one, okay?
I don't know. मुझे पता चलेगा जब मैं ये खोलूंगी तब मुझे पता चलेगा कि मेरे कितने राइट है कितने रॉन्ग है तुमने कितने इजी दिए. Once more. It is this part. Your hand, your
Final?
thumb. Yeah, final.
Final.
Yeah.
Now it's fifth one. Yeah, it's fifth one. So let's do one thing. What? I am not going to tell you what's that.
Okay. It is this part.
Okay. Final.
Yeah.
So you got only one right. It's tie.
Which one right? What did you show to me? Just tell me.
Okay, fine. First, I have shown you. I forgot. It first one was right. It was tongue.
Okay.
Okay. The second one was this one. This, and you told this one. It's not.
It is
No!
same only.
It's not same. It's not same. So I just shown this one,
Okay.
and then the third one was this one, and you told this one. Okay. And the fourth one was this one.
So yeah, I told right.
No, last one you told this one.
Yeah.
No, but this one is fourth.
Okay.
You told this one for this.
Yeah.
And then I used this one. And you told this one.
Okay.
So,
We
we
have a tie between us.
Yeah, so we will have another round and let's see what happens. Now you go first.
Oh, it's not like that.
It's like that.
Okay, fine. I'll go first. Okay, so in this we will have three turn. Yeah, 3 turn.
3 body parts that means?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
So I'll go first.
Go,
तो
go.
मैंने निकाला ही क्यों? अरे
God, no.
नहीं छठा.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Just a minute, not ready. What is this here? Yeah. अरे मम्मी.
Shut up. My makeup.
Okay. Come on.
Give your hand. I mean, give your finger.
What you're doing?
Second chance you want?
Yeah. It is your this part from face. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Final?
Yeah.
Now it's second chance. And
Again? What? Again.
Done.
It is this part.
Final?
This. Yeah.
Final?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
And the third one is
Again.
don't try to push it, okay? You are
this part.
being
this,
smart.
This part.
which part?
This one. This one. Yeah. This one. It is this one.
This one?
Yeah. This. I mean, this hole comes in one only. So this one part. Okay. Done. Can I?
Yeah, okay, fine.
How much I got right?
I'll not tell you.
What? Tell me.
Then afterwards I'll tell
No,
you.
I want
Let
to
me
know
do
now.
my chance.
No. I told you. I told you how much.
Then you
want.
will give me that difficult one.
No.
If I say that you lose, and if I say you win, then also you will give me difficult
But still,
only.
you have to say me.
No, there is nothing like
No.
that.
How
I'll tell
many I
you.
got right? No, just say me.
You got two right, yeah. And now you're
Okay.
going to. Why this always happens with me?
चलो. बस. नकली आंसू.
तुम्हारे तो बहुत असली होते हैं मगरमच्छ. You मगरमच्छ.
Shut up. Oh, guys, just see the view around.
या शो क्योंकि मुझे व्यू दिख नहीं रहा है.
तुम्हें ब्लैक व्यू दिख रहा है ना अंदर. चलो.
कम.
ऊपर देखो, नीचे देखो.
अरे क्या ऊपर देखो नीचे देखो, मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. टच करवाना है नहीं. दिस इज अगेन लास्ट. दिस इज लेग. मे बी दिस वन.
Sure.
या
Done. Okay. Now second.
अगेन.
Should I?
Yeah. This is this one? This one
I
or
don't
this
know.
two? Yeah. This counts in one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Again, last.
Again.
This one is this.
Which?
This one.
This part. This
Yeah.
one, right? This.
Yeah. This.
Sure?
This. Yeah. This one. This whole.
This whole don't come in one.
This much comes in one, right?
This much comes.
Yeah.
This part don't come.
Which part?
This one. I am telling you about this part.
Okay, I'm going for this one.
Now you can't change.
Oh, there is nothing like change. I'm just asking you.
Okay,
This
fine.
whole comes in
Which part? Final.
this one.
Okay. Chalo. Now.
This one is third, right?
Yeah. Last.
Okay. Okay. This one?
Which one?
This one?
I don't know.
Again, last chance. You are not even like
Oh.
putting this for a second. Okay, this one is this. Yeah, this one.
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Should I open this?
Yeah.
Ooh! Dog,
Bus.
dog.
It was there before also.
No, when I
Yeah.
no. When I tried this one, they were
Before
not there.
that they were there. I saw.
No, they were not there. Show them.
Fake expressions.
I was
Chalo.
not knowing.
Okay. So you got one correct and two wrong.
Again time?
Because
no.
you see, first one was I don't remember. Yeah, first one was this part. This.
Oh, I told
And you
this
told
one, right?
Yeah.
Second one was this that you told right. You were first telling this one, but I gave you a little bit of. No, that was not hint. I was just asking like this whole comes in No, you told this part, and this is different from that. But I wasn't able to see only like this. I did like this, but I didn't know. So that was correct. And the last one was this part, and you told this one. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So it's my time. I'll get the punishment.
And
Let's see how easy her punishment is.
my punishment is easy only.
My foot. I can
हाँ,
see
मतलब-
that on your face.
मतलब लास्ट टाइम से थोड़ी हार्ड तो होगी, ऑब्वियसली होगी।
आगे?
लास्ट टाइम बहुत इजी थी, सो थोड़ी हार्ड। मैंने नहीं बोला कि बहुत हार्ड, लेकिन थोड़ी हार्ड तो होती है। सो एंड द पनिशमेंट इज कि हीर को वेयर इज अ ब्लाइंड, कैन यू जस्ट
अंधी
ये इसका
उपयोग।
हीर को ये पहन के अपनी आँखों पर ये लगा कर यहाँ से नहीं, मतलब हाँ यहाँ से हमारे घर तक जाना है विदाउट एनी
सपोर्ट। आर यू किडिंग मी? घर पे ये मैं लगा के जाऊंगी।
एंड हाँ, एक और नया ट्विस्ट
और ट्विस्ट।
आई एम बैक
ट्विस्ट में तो मुझे हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा।
सो इसमें ट्विस्ट ये है कि हम लोग जब अपने अपार्टमेंट में जाते हैं तो वहाँ तो बजर से ही खोलना रहता है, तो वो तो खोल लेगी वो मैंने इस पर थोड़ी दया खा दी है। मैंने बोला चलो ठीक है
दिख रहा है।
लेकिन ट्विस्ट ये है कि हमें जाना है लिफ्ट के अंदर और लिफ्ट में होंगी बटन। सो हीर को करना ये है कि खुद ही बटन प्रेस करें, स्लिप ऑफ टंग, बटन प्रेस करना है और हमें घर तक पहुंचाना है। अभी उसकी जिम्मेदारी है कि वो हमें कैसे घर तक पहुंचाती है।
कहीं किसी और के घर पे ना पहुंचा तो मैं आपको।
ओह ऐसा। सो ऐसा ही करना है। सो हम लोग अभी वहाँ हम लोग जाते हैं वहाँ और देखते हैं कि हम लोग कैसे करते हैं। आप देखो हम लोग कैसे करते हैं।
हम लोग नहीं, मैं
मतलब मैं कैसे देखेंगे कि तुम कैसे करती हो ऐसा। सो लेट्स गो गाइस, वी आर एट आवर लोकेशन। बहुत हवा आ रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा हवा आ रही है। आपको बहुत सारे हिंदी में गुजराती मिक्स,
हिंदी गुजराती मिक्स और वो
सुनने
लैंग्वेज है
मिलेंगे।
कुछ हिंदी।
So we'll start. Okay. You can see. Okay. So हाँ, अगर बीच में मैं उसे कहीं ऐसा आएगा तो मैं उसे पकड़ूंगी, वरना नहीं।
चलो चलो, बस कुछ नहीं, अभी सीधा ही चल रहा है। No direction दे रही है, no step is there. Feet of change. They were doing like this. I was telling you, no step is there. Not that way. Hey? क्या है ये? Ow.
बैठो.
So can I remove this one?
Yeah. Okay. So that's it. This was the punishment and okay. So ये हो गई खत्म. आपने देखा कि बहुत हार्ड नहीं थी. मैंने उसके थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंट दिया, you know. I have showed so much mercy on her. Okay.
So this
that's
is it for video.
Yeah. And if you guys enjoyed it, then do like,
share
and subscribe. Thank you.
Toodles.